being a person who has horrible eyes, thank God for contacts. I mean, I just, once you said that, it made me think. I'm like, yeah, you know, I trip over things if I don't have my glasses on, or, you know, first thing in the morning, if I leave them on my nightstand rather than grabbing them, I kick the dog, you know, fall over piles of clothes, and it's just me being messy personally, but it is a very interesting aspect of it.
Well, and even just bringing attention to it. You know, somebody who's in the home, I mean, I'm notorious for this in my own home. I never change light bulbs. You know, but somebody who is, you know, somebody who gets up, you know, in the middle of the night, you know, obviously having low lit, you know, night lights, you know, in regard to the ambulation path, you know, is just a simple way that we can illuminate and highlight obstacles. People who have hardwood floors versus carpet, throw rugs, different things like that. You know, there's certain ways that we can utilize this from an occupational therapy standpoint to make just simple environmental modifications or recommendations that we can obviously decrease the risk of falls. And again, it really has to do with the skill set of the appropriate type of interventionist that comes into play.